Do you know that knowing the basics in trading is very, very important? And of course, guys, having the right trading tools even makes it very easy for you to make a profitable trade on daily basis. Okay. Like I've always been telling you, once you know all these things, then you will be able to milk the market all the time. Okay. But before I go fully into details, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Just like we have known, there are so many supports and resistance zones. Okay, this is very, very important. Once you know the truth, then you will know how to go about it. There are so many supports and resistance zones, but there are major ones which you need to take note of. Okay, right here is a major support zone, and if you should check the market structure, it got to this region before pulling back, and it came back to this particular spot. Okay, and it went below the last part and went back up again, and it came back to this particular spot. If you should notice, this part and this part are on this level, while this is a bit below those two parts. Okay, so this is like an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so which means this should go back on uptrend. Okay, so and if you should check it out in another way, this is kind of forming a kind of W vibes, and of course, which means that it should go into an uptrend. And with all that being explained, if you have a right trading tool, you will be able to identify all these very easily. Like I said, your trend is always very, very important. If you should notice, at this particular support zone, this actually gave us an uptrend right from here and gave us a buy signal, and it gave us a good trade right from here to here, even though it didn't go too far. But this is far enough for us to make some good profit from here. It's turned around here. Like I've always been telling you, the market can always misbehave anytime. Okay, so when it turned around, it got to this particular support region and gave us another uptrend signal this time around, and broke out from that resistance zone that was unable to break out from the other time. And of course, it got to this particular resistance zone, okay, to give us more profit right from there. Okay, so that is why you can not say that a particular strategy is 100% perfect. Okay, so but once a strategy is giving you 70% assurance that you will always win, okay, then definitely you will. I mean, you are cool with that. Okay, so you can see this is huge, guys. This part is on 5 minute time frame, and I think it is cool enough. Now let's see what happened after that. Okay, these are the trades that we took yesterday. Okay, so this is what happened after that. This actually played around here for a while. Okay, and of course, when it was playing, I knew that it will not break out above this resistance zone. Okay, because it has played enough to see if it will break out from there. Since it's unable to break out from there, I was only waiting for the downtrend signal. And of course, it came out around there first, got to this region, had a pullback, came back again, and of course, gave us another downtrend signal and broke out from there this time around. And of course, it sold till it got to this particular spot. Okay, immediately after that, okay, it was unable to break out from here. So it went back into an uptrend. You can see you can always win the trade once you know your way around it, and once you have the right trading tools and you understand how the trading tool works. Okay, you will always win your way around it, and that is more important than any other thing. So I will advise you to understand the assets you want to trade, understand the right trading tool, or make sure you have the right trading tools, and make sure you understand how the trading tool works. Then you will always milk the market all the time. I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And you can also reach out to me if you have personal questions. For instance, if you're thinking of how you can get the same setup I am having on the chart, you can also reach out to me. I will give you an hint on how you can get it. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.